Michaela and I'm back with a quick video. Today we're reviewing edges. Yes, I said edges. I ordered these from Shein, by the way. If you follow me on Instagram, you guys got the opportunity to vote and y'all chose these adult edges. I'm mad because I just knew y'all was gonna choose the easy ones, but no, y'all did the grown ones. So this is what we're going with. So I'm gonna put these on my head and see what it looks like. Before we get there, make sure you give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and comment what you want to see next, and let's get started. So this is what it looks like. I'm assuming I'm gonna have to cut these out and stick them on, so I probably need to do that real quick. Y'all, I'm scared. People were not lying when they said that this is hard to cut, and it probably doesn't help that I cut like a child. I don't even think when I was younger that I could cut stuff out correctly, so this is already an L. Like, I'm literally struggling. Not my biracial edges. Okay. This was a terrible idea. But you know what? What if these do come out looking super good? Then that's gonna be bomb. Like, imagine stepping outside and your edges don't go nowhere. And they last all day. I've never experienced that before. My edges be gone 30 seconds. Look, 30 seconds in, they be gone. Poof. Oh my goodness. This is sad. Okay. We getting somewhere. So I ordered these because online it appeared to give me Sweetie. Because you know, Sweetie always got like laid edges. But when they got here, I was like, this is more sweetener. So I don't know how this is gonna come out. And I'm scared. But it is what it is. See, I live in a town where I could probably get away with wearing these edges outside. If you know what I'm saying. If you don't know what I'm saying, just ignore what I said. I could wear these to work and my coworker's gonna tell me I look good, period. Okay? So this is one cut out and I'm gonna cut the other one off on camera. I think I got it positioned how I wanted it. This is gonna take up my whole forehead at this point. I don't even know how I'm gonna get these off my head. Like, the thing literally didn't come with any type of directions. So there's that. I think you're only supposed to do this for 30 seconds. I haven't had a sticker tattoo in forever. I see a little stick. I see a little something. Make sure I got it all wet. I'm not trying to look crazy. Oh! Don't get too close, the shine might blind you. These kind of dark. Now we're gonna do the other side. This was such a bad idea. Did y'all put these on right? Yeah, I did. I was gonna say, left they backwards. I gave y'all two looks today. A headband wig and then a regular T-part wig. I feel like, you know how niggas be when they take off the wave cap? That's what this is giving. Edge check. Per. Okay. Okay. They might be giving sweetener, but it's like the stevia, like the name brand sweetener, okay? So, do I want to use this little piece? Because I feel like I need a little something. But I don't know how to do it how I want it. Let's see. I actually like this, y'all. She's biracial. She's biracial. Not it's way back here. Okay. Okay. Okay, y'all. So these are the edges. Straight out the pack. Stiff wear. Okay. What lace?
I'm taking somebody's nigga tonight. Somebody's nigga's gonna be God tonight.
This is what it looks like paired with a headband wig. If I would have got them a little bit closer, it probably would have looked a little bit more realistic. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. What do y'all think? Like, is it giving what it's supposed to give? Like, do y'all think I could go run errands with these edges and be okay? I'm gonna try a different wig. It's gonna get real personal around here, okay? I'm gonna take my wig off on camera. Don't judge me. Y'all know my wig caps stay holy. Mind your business. Okay, we're gonna try it with a T-part wig to see if this gives a little bit more. Okay, you really can't tell that I have edges. Like, bro. Trying to show off my dollar edges and this wig playing. I did all that work for nothing. Okay, now with this, I feel like it's giving a little bit more. No? Okay. No? Okay. Okay. I hear y'all. But the funny thing about it is, I ordered some eyebrows. So, I'll be back in like a week or two, and I'm gonna show y'all these tattoo eyebrows. Yes, I know, I need to be stopped. I need to stay off of Shein. But one thing about it, I don't know. Y'all can't tell me it don't look better. Y'all, I mean, all I can say is yeah, and I mean, I don't know, y'all. Like I said, leave what y'all think below. Funniest comment wins. I don't know. I think this is the end of the video because I really don't know what to say. Like, I really don't. I'm just shocked right now. Okay, so this really is the end of this video. So make sure you give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and comment what you want to see next. And I will see y'all next week. Peace.